Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar, Tiffany Young, Edge of Calm. What a beautiful title. Let's calm down a little bit and just let the easy playing do the work here. We have a cape on first. We don't come to all that technical stuff. I need your help, guys, to grow my new channel. It's a new channel. It's called Gordon Guitar. 6 strings ago, okay? So that's a nice channel where you can learn a full song from A to Z with chords shown on the screen. And for a song like this, not necessary because this is just a 4-chord song, just rolling in the same way through the entire song. But most songs are not like that. So there's verses, pre-choruses, and choruses, and they change over time throughout the song. Therefore, nice to learn a full song from A to Z, chords shown on the screen. That's how you're gonna get it on Gordon Guitar 6 strings ago. So go up and click on that link up here somewhere, and yeah, be a member and help me out, guys. Thank you so much. Now let's focus on Tiffany's song. Cape on first, and with that we have the 4 chords: D minor 7, G6, C major 7, and A minor 7. A lot of 7s and 6s. So let's start with the first. D minor 7. It's open D, second G, first B, and first E. And that first B and E, I place my index finger like this as a short little bar, so I don't have to go in with all my fingers like this, okay? So very simple. That's it. Next chord is the G6. Third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the C major 7 next. Third A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally we have the A minor 7. Open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. That's it. Just rolls in the same way through the entire song. We're going to learn how to play it, and it's very, very simple. It's a total of 8 downs per chord. Okay, and I like to highlight the 5th down, so I play on the bass strings, bass mid area. That means that area when it comes to bass, and then the higher strings on the 5th down only. So, and then 6, 7, 8 on the bass. That gives a certain rhythm for this specific chord, D minor. It's not that easy because it's only 4-string where kind of you can play. That's the actual chord, so it's harder to separate the bass from the top. But for G and the C and A, a little bit more, so you can separate the bass from top, and it goes like this, 1 full chord progression round. Again, D, G, C, and A. Beautiful song for Miss Young, Edge of Calm. Good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.